What's going on, everyone? So as you know, the 4Runner needs some window tint. So this is the 2021 Toyota 4Runner that I got from Maggie and the kids to replace this thing. This is the 2017 Dodge Journey. 4Runner is definitely a better vehicle overall, all the way around. So, you know, I had to call Cody, my tint guy. He's coming. 5% on the back, 5%, 5%. 35, 5% strip. He's going to do ceramic coating on the whole thing. So right now I'm going to show you how it looks on the inside all the way around, to give you all a feel of what the stock tint is. So they did tint the front from factory. I mean, not from factory, but from the dealership. It looks like to be about 35, but I want ceramic. The back is just the privacy, so no heat shield or anything. There, let me flip it around to the high quality camera. This is what it looks like on the inside right now. It's not that bright. It's overcast day. We want it more like the truck in my car. So that's what the 4Runner looks like. Stock. I mean, I can't say stock. Tint, but very little up front. Privacy on the back. It just has a regular privacy. So we can look right through it. That's the Journey. Here's my truck. You can't see through it. You can see in mine a little bit. In my car, however, you can't see anything. But so that's before. What's going on, guys? So it is the next day. 5% strip, like we said. 15 on the side. 5% ceramic all the way around. She dark. She real dark. And I wouldn't have the keys on me, really. Okay, so now I got the key. I have a video on how to upgrade your key fob to this. If you're interested, by the way, just check out my channel and you'll see the 4Runner key fob mod. I like it. All right. So inside, you can barely tell. It's very nice. But it's from the outside. Like, you can't see. You have to really get up close to be able to see in. And with human eyes, you can't even see. With the camera, you can see a lot better. But looks great. He did a great job. Like he said, there's nowhere to tuck these back corners, so he trim fit them and it looks good. If you're in the northeast Florida, southeast Georgia area, like Jacksonville to, like, say, Kingsland, Georgia, so Jacksonville, Florida to Kingsland, Georgia, and you're looking for a tint guy, hit me up. I'll give you his name and number. He does amazing work. Been doing it for 10 plus years. He's mobile. He's done the 4Runner, the Corolla, the Silverado, and the Journey. He's done all these vehicles, tons of my family's vehicles. Definitely worth checking him out. But this is what it looks like with the tint. It looks way better. So if you have any questions, guys, about how it looks at night or anything like that, go ahead and comment below. I'd love to make a video of anything y'all want to know. If you have questions about mods or anything that I'm going to be doing to it, drop a comment below. I have a lot of video and content coming for this, so definitely stay tuned.